Okay, so the people are suffering. People from different parts of the country have come here to get the tickets to board their flights, but they have been suffering. We'll try to speak to some more people. Excuse me, sir, from where you are?
I'm from Kerala.
Where were you heading?
I'm going to Srinagar.
What they are telling you now?
They are telling that the flight is cancelled due to some Microsoft issue or some technical issue.
Any arrangements being made?
No, nothing is there. They are also not concerned about us. So we are that much full. So because of that thing, we have just booked the Indigo flight, and they are also not telling any proper reasons why they cancelled it, and nothing is there. They are just telling that आपको 2 दिन के बाद आपका क्या है रीशेडिंग हो जाएगा. मैं फौज में हूँ, ठीक है. आज तो अगर रिपोर्ट नहीं करेगा तो फिर वो भी पंगा है.
So you see that the people are suffering because reason being that the flights are being cancelled with every passing minute. Also, some of the flight operations are resuming normally because you see it is the Minister of States in the Prime Minister's office, Dr. Jitendra Singh, who is heading since he was having a return flight. He's moving via chopper only. So he's going. I'll request Gaurav to keep showing you the visuals here only that some of the flight operations, including that of the Air India, they are operating normally. Air India has no problem in operations, but yes, when it comes to the Indigo and the SpiceJet, yes, they are having the concerns, and that's why the people who have come here from different parts, those who are heading to the Kashmir Valley or to heading towards the national capital, they are suffering. We'll try to speak to some more people. सर आप बताइए कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
सर हम जा रहे हैं जम्मू टू श्रीनगर के लिए.
क्या बता रहे हैं?
हमारी सर फ़्लाइट कैंसिल बता रहे हैं. कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आया है इनकी तरफ से, और हमारी रिपोर्टिंग है आज आर्मी की तरफ से है, तो हमारे को रिप्लाई तो दें. कल की बुक करें या हमारा रिफंड करें, कोई इनकी तरफ से रिप्लाई आया नहीं है.
कोई नहीं बताया जा रहा है. So this is what they are saying because it's a global outage, and now the people here, the passengers, those who have booked the flights to the Kashmir or to other parts of the country, including the national capital, they are suffering because they booked the flight, they were here on time for the check-in, they had no intimation from the airlines, but when they reached here, they got to know, and now they're also getting some messages or the calls that the flights have been cancelled. But in an airport like Jammu Airport, which operates only a handful of 32 flights, 16 in flights and 16 out flights, their operations too have been hit. This means the extent of this global outage is impacting at a larger level. Yes.
Yes, so we saw that how trouble is aggravating for the travelers at Jammu Airport. Now let me cut across to Mr. Nikhil Mahadeshwar, founder of Cyber Secure India. Thank you, Mr. Mahadeshwar, for joining us and speaking to Republic Business. Mr. Mahadeshwar, big outage we are seeing, and the impact of which is visible on almost every sector, from banking to brokerages to oil and gas trading desk in London to the UK's largest railway network to the news channels. Give me your initial reactions. How do you see this outage?
Well, we'll see. This is a global attack. That is what I will see. Not a specific, not for a specific region or something like that. But talking some technical inputs on it is it has been affected to Microsoft Windows. So the same solution of CrowdStrike, if they are using on a Macintosh system or any type of other OS, that has not been impacted on that. So it is only affected for the Microsoft Windows, and the major service providers, as we see, okay, at the airports or any other places, they are using Microsoft Windows. That is one of the major impact. That is what I will say in this aspect. Secondly, like there are security experts, there are teams who are working to have fixes on it, and obviously soon they will basically come out with a we can say workable solution for the same globally, because as it is a global issue. As of now, there is a we can say a message which is circulated into a lot of tech groups or like open cybersecurity community groups, where there is a temporary fixed solution which is which can be done for this, or we can say is to replace a file from the CrowdStrike, which is like csagent.cs2.
जो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का सर्वर बैठ गया है, उसके कारण काफ़ी दिक्कतों का सामना करना पड़ा है. देखिए यहाँ पे ये सर्वर काम नहीं कर रहा. आप क्या करने के लिए
बोर्डिंग पास निकालने
के लिए क्या दिक्कत आ रही है
सर? ये चल नहीं रहा है.
चल नहीं रहा है?
हाँ जी सर.
कब से ये दिक्कत हो रही है?
सर मैं तो अभी आके देखने लगा था, पर चल नहीं रहा था.
देखिए बोर्डिंग पास, ये मशीन है, वेंडिंग मशीन है, लेकिन यहाँ पे लोगों का बोर्डिंग पास निकल नहीं पा रहा है। बार बार यहाँ से यहाँ देखिए फेल हो रहा है, बोर्डिंग पास निकल नहीं पा रहा है। यहाँ पे क्या बोर्डिंग पास निकाल रहे हैं?
नहीं, बोर्डिंग पास निकल नहीं रहा है।
निकल नहीं रहा है, यहीं पे आकर सिस्टम हैंग हो जा रहा है।
यस सर, सिस्टम हैंग हो रहा है। अभी एक निकला है, लेकिन दूसरा नहीं निकल रहा है।
दूसरा नहीं निकल रहा। कौन सी एयरलाइंस का था ये?
नहीं, ये मेरा है, उनका नहीं निकल रहा है। ये एयर इंडिया का है।
ये एयर इंडिया का था।
एयर इंडिया,
इनका एयर इंडिया का है,
हाँ उनका भी एयर इंडिया है।
उनका नहीं निकल पा रहा है।
हाँ, उनका नहीं निकल पाए।
आपको मालूम है कि नहीं माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का सर्वर हैंग पूरी तरीके से बैठ गया है?
नहीं, वो टाइम से उधर से नहीं हो रहा है, इधर अभी निकल गया एक निकल गया, एक नहीं निकल रहा है।